Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see second chapter, addition and subtraction. We'll see practice 1. Okay. Add. We have to add this. Okay. What? 10. 7 8 9 10. Understood? Next. Ranthambore Tiger Reserve has 1942 tigers and Sundarbans Tiger Reserve has 1827 tigers. What is the total number of tigers in both the reserves? The number of tigers in Ranthambore Tiger reserves are 1942, and in number of tigers in Sundarban Tiger Reserves are 1827. We have to add this. So 3700. Total number of tigers in both the reserve are 3769. Okay. Understood? Next. The Ranthambore Tiger Reserve conducted a tree plantation drive to restore the forest. On the first day, the forest department planted 2345 saplings, and on the second day, they planted 3678 saplings. How many saplings were planted in total on both days? So again, we have to add these two numbers. Okay. Number of saplings planted on first day is 2345, and the number of saplings planted on second day is 3678. So what's the total? Six 6023. Total number of saplings 6023. Okay. Next. The Sundarbans Tiger Reserve has 2,489 mangrove trees in one of its sections. A recent survey counted 3,214 additional mangrove trees in another section. What is the total number of mangrove trees in these two sections? Again, we have to add these two. Number of mangrove trees in one section is 2,489 and number of mangrove trees in another section is 3,214. $5,703. Okay, so total number of mangrove trees are 5,703. To protect the endangered animals in tiger reserves, the forest department set up to 4,217 cameras last year to monitor the animals. Later, they added 2,886 more cameras to increase coverage. How many cameras have been set up in total to monitor the animals? So, number of cameras set up on last year is 4,217 and addition of the added camera is 2,886. We have to add this. So total number of the cameras are 7,103. Okay. Next, during a tiger population survey in Manas Tiger Reserve, the forest officials found 2,769 tigers and 3,542 deer. What is the combined number of tiger and deer in the reserve? So total number of tigers are 2,769 and total number of deer are 3,542. So the total number of tiger and deer are 6,311. Understood? So tomorrow we will see addition of 5-digit number. Okay, thank you.